What is your name?
My name is Vaishnavi.
Which class you study?
LKG Lotus.
Okay, Vaishnavi. I am asking some words. Apple,
Apple.
ash, axe, aeroplane, ball, book, banana, boat, cat, car, cow, clown, doll, duck, dog, doctor, ear, egg, eagle, eyes, flower, fish, fox, frog, grapes, girl, goat, gun, hat, hen, hand, horse, ice cream, insect, iron, ink pot, okay, igloo, joker, jar, jam, jeep, kite, key, kid, kettle, lamp, leaf, block, lion, mango, mirror, monkey, matchbox, nest, net, nib, nose, owl, onion, ox, ostrich, parrot, peacock, pumpkin, pigeon, pigeon, pigeon. Okay, very good.